So, welcome back to the channel. Well, here's a question. So, what have I been doing? I've been asking you that for years. Nobody asked you. Just saying. So here's one project I've been working with. One of these lovely ladies. You may recognise this young lady here. This is only part of the body and torso, obviously. But there are 3 in this particular group. So here's the second person in the group of 3, one with a crooked smile, a couple of sisters as it were. So I think you might be guessing where this is going. Okay, and the third and final sister of this particular group. Super work of course being the wonderful Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. So here's another project, part of the front of a project of part of the Conjuring series. This of course is Annabelle, so more on her shortly. But first, these 3 lovely ladies. Okay, yes, I did it. I started building Annabelle. I like Annabelle. She's nowhere near finished, obviously. Her eyes I'm not happy with yet, but I'll sort that out. She needs a lot more weathering yet, but she's on to a good start. And of course, her hands are done, hands are ready, finished. She's got her hand held out for the notes say miss me, so quite a bit to do on her yet. As I said, some great prints. I didn't design Annabelle, got it from this fella here, a 3D printed props. He's also a content creator on YouTube who did a full video on how to build Annabelle, his Annabelle. You can watch that. I'll leave a link in the description. There is a whole host of files on here, well cheap, not expensive at all. This is in dollars, obviously. Have a look, my word, so much good stuff on here. This Megan, there's also a video on how to build her. This is life size. This is a life size Megan that this guy's created. You can download, print it. Absolutely stunning. Have a look. Buy some stuff off this guy. Absolutely stunning. I kid you not. Great value for money. And the files are, in my opinion, amazing. So here you go. I'll just give you a quick intro. This is the fella. 3D printed props. Check out all these other videos. Amazing.
Hey everybody, it's Kevin from 3D Printed Props, and it is October, and that means it's Halloween. So I decided to work on a Halloween inspired build. That's right, this creepy doll next to me, Annabelle herself. This is what I decided to do for the video today.
So please accept my apologies for being away so long, as it were. You're amazing. You're patient. You wait for me. Can't tell you how grateful I am for that. Thank you. So that's that then for this time. Hopefully won't be so long next time. Again, I don't know what I'd do without you guys. Thank you so much. I mean, things happen, life things happen. We all have to get on with, deal with, or go along with. So that's what we have to do. So in the meantime, as always, God bless you all. I love you all so much. In the meantime, between now and the next video, take care.